Are you wanting to work out how to provide your team access to cutting-edge AI while navigating limited budgets and ensuring your data remains secure? With Cotton Computer Technologies and Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat, you can have your very own AI-powered chatbot. Today, we're excited to introduce Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat, a new way for every organisation to quickly and securely scale AI adoption so no employee is left behind. Copilot Chat combines three powerful capabilities into one integrated product to unlock the measurable value of AI at work. First is free, secure, enterprise-ready AI chat. It's powered by GPT-4o and grounded in the web. This chat experience is going to become an essential, day-to-day tool for everyone in your organisation. None of your employees are going to want to work without it. Second, agents that will enable you to reimagine business process and realise real cost savings and revenue generation. These agents are integrated into the chat experience and paid for on a metered consumption basis, so you only pay for what you use. Think of them like specialists. Apps that can be programmed and trained to be really good at one particular task. And third and most importantly, the whole Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat experience is protected by robust IT controls that ensure enterprise-grade security, privacy, compliance, and management. This final piece of the puzzle, the enterprise-level security, makes a big difference. Right now, anything that you share via ChatGPT or other OpenAI platforms is made publicly available and searchable by anyone using that platform afterwards. But with Copilot Chat, your data isn't used to train other AI models. Instead, it's encrypted at rest and in transit and is isolated from anyone who isn't part of your organization's network. Plus, it will only be able to leverage the user's account access. For example, a junior member of staff doesn't have access to confidential HR and client documentation, so Copilot for them will also not be able to access this information. Okay, so let me show you Copilot Chat in action. Say you need to regularly create sales reports for your business. With a sales reporting Copilot agent, you could pull a year-on-year sales report quickly with just a few clicks of a button. Then you could get the agent to compare this to national sales trends or benchmark margins for your industry. The other use case that is an incredible time saver here is using Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat as your own personal search engine. For example, you can build a Copilot agent that references the HR documentation within your SharePoint tenant. That way, instead of digging through files, you or your staff can ask, what is our annual leave policy? Or maybe you want to be able to easily reference past project plans. A Copilot agent could be designed to help you find previous documents that focus on certain terms or particular products, helping you save a heap of time and avoiding needing to reinvent the wheel. Or, last week, someone shared a document that defined the key deliverable dates for Project X. What are those dates? Plus, it can help you get organised. If you've missed a meeting or failed to take notes on a particular point, you can ask Copilot Chat for the details. For example, what did Tom say about our sales targets? Or summarise messages from Susan over the past week, highlighting important details including deliverable due dates and action items. It's also a fantastic tool to prep for meetings. Say you're having a one-on-one with a team member and want to look at their recent performance. A Copilot agent could comb through exported data in SharePoint and compare it to that team member's productivity and work goals over the past 12 months. It can then suggest goals for the next 12 months. The big difference between most OpenAI models that you might have seen and Microsoft Copilot Chat is that you can not only draw from the web, but you can draw from the data in your own Microsoft 365 tenant. So instead of trawling through thousands of SharePoint documents and Teams chats to find information, or combining data from multiple Excel sheets, you can type a query into your AI chatbot that will pull the data for you and serve it up. Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat takes the latest large language models like GP4 and GP5 and brings those within the Microsoft 365 service boundaries. And then, and this is important, it locks down the model. With a lot of OpenAI models, it takes the data you input and trains the model with your data. But with Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat, your data remains confidential and secure. It doesn't leave your tenancy, instead offering robust IT controls for enterprise-grade security, privacy, compliance and management. For more information on how you can leverage Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat, get in touch with Colton today.